Hello, children. Today I have brought answer and questions for the chapter My Childhood. Every students were requiring the solution as well as the explanation of all the questions and answers. So I have brought the collections of questions and answer in this video. Let you know about the questions that has been given at the end of the chapter. Answer these questions in one or two sentences each. As you could see, question number first. Where was Abdul Kalam's house? अब्दुल कलाम का घर कहाँ था? Answer: Abdul Kalam's house was on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. His house was in the street. It was Mosque Street. मस्जिद की गली में रामेश्वरम में उनका घर था. Question number 2. What do you think Dinamani is the name of? Give a reason for your answer. Answer is Dinamani is the name of a newspaper. Abdul Kalam attempts to trace the second headlines of this newspaper. Dinamani is the name of a newspaper. Dinamani जो है एक न्यूज़पेपर का नाम है. And Abdul Kalam attempts, he tries to trace the Second World War newspaper. He was trying to trace the Second World War's newspaper because after the Second World War was over, a new newspaper has to be provided to the readers in those days. So he was attempting to trace the Second World War's news in the newspaper. Next, question number 3. Who were Abdul Kalam's school friends? What did they later become? अब्दुल कलाम के दोस्त कौन से थे और बाद में वो क्या क्या बने? आंसर इज रामनाथा शास्त्री. अरविंदन एंड शिव प्रकाशन वर हिज स्कूल फ्रेंड्स. उनके स्कूल फ्रेंड्स कौन कौन थे? रामनाथ शास्त्री, अरविंदन और शिव प्रकाशन. रामनाथ शास्त्री of the Rameswaram temple became a priest. Ramanatha Shastri became a priest at Rameswaram temple. Arvindan, let me erase the underlines and it would be more clear and easy to understand. Yes, Arvindan went into the business of arranging transport. For visiting pilgrims, अरविंदन तीर्थ यात्रा पर जा रहे लोगों के लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट मैनेज करने लगे. एंड शिव प्रकाशन became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. And Shiv Prakashan, he became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. He began to manage catering. He took the contract of catering for the Southern Railways. I hope it would be clear to all the students. Fourth question, that is, how did Abdul Kalam earn his first wages? Answer: Abdul Kalam earned his first wages by distributing newspapers. Abdul Kalam, he earned his first wages, first salary by distributing, by providing newspapers to the readers. Fifth question, that is, had he earned any money before that? In what way? The answer would be yes. Yes. He had earned money before also. He used to collect the tamarind seeds and the in the Mask Street. He collected the tamarind seeds and used to sell it on a provisional shop on the Mask Street, as you could see on the screen. A day's collection would fetch him the princely sum of 1 anna. Okay, as you could see on the screen, a day's collection he would fetch, or he earned, in the exchange of selling tamarind seeds, 1 anna in a day. Okay, these were short answer type questions. Let you know about the long answer type questions. Answer each questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. How does the author describe his father, his mother, himself? Let you know one by one. It would be more clear if we see in this pattern. How does he describe his father, his mother, himself? Let you know. His father. The author describes his father as a wise and generous person. He describes about his father that he was an intellectual and intelligent, very wise and generous, very kind-hearted person. He felt happy when he helped others. He did not have much formal education and riches. वो बहुत ही समृद्धिशाली नहीं थे, बहुत धनी नहीं थे, और उनका जो एजुकेशन था वो बहुत हाई लेवल पर नहीं था. He was a man of confidence and great wisdom. वो बहुत ही विश्वस्त और बुद्धिमान थे. He avoided inessential comforts and luxuries. और बिना ज़रूरतों के जो कंफर्ट्स थे, आराम देने वाली जो चीज़ें थी, और बहुत ही महंगी वस्तुओं को वो अवॉइड करते थे. How does he describe his mother? His mother was a noble and kind-hearted woman. उनकी माँ जो थी वो बहुत ही संस्कारवान और अच्छे दिल की महिला थी. She used to feed a large number of people. वो बहुत ही भारी संख्या में लोगों को खिलाती पिलाती थी. Because she was very kind-hearted lady. She had all the attributes of a typical Indian mother. और एक भारतीय महिला और माँ का जो संस्कार होता है वो सब कुछ उनमें था। नेक्स्ट, हाउ डज ही डिस्क्राइब हिमसेल्फ? लेट यू नो। I was born into a middle class Tamil family. I was short boy with rather undistinguished looks. उनका जो रूप रंग था, जो दिखने का तरीका था, वो थोड़ा हटके था, बहुत ही छोटे कद के थे। Born to tall and handsome parents, लेकिन उनके जो पेरेंट थे वो बहुत ही लंबे कद के थे और हैंडसम थे। I studied physics and aerospace. उन्होंने फिज़िक्स पढ़ा और एरोस्पेस, इट इज़ द साइंस ऑफ स्पेस, अंतरिक्ष के बारे में। इंजीनियरिंग एंड बिकम अ साइंटिस्ट, उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग भी की, बट इवेंचुअली ही बिकम अ साइंटिस्ट, वो बने क्या? वैज्ञानिक। लेट मी इरेज द अंडरलाइंस on the screen at first. You could write answers by watching the screen if you want to write. Question number 2. What characteristics does he say inherited him his parents? उन्होंने कौन सी विशेषताएं बताई है जो आनुवंशिक उनके माँ बाप का उनको मिला था? The author inherited humility and benevolence from his parent. He learnt lessons in honesty and integrity from his parents. He was self-disciplined because of his parents' exemplary life. ऑथर बताते हैं कि उनके अंदर ह्यूमैलिटी एंड बेनेवोलेंस का प्रसार था, आनुवंशिक तौर पे उन्हें मिला था अपने माँ बाप से। ही लर्नड लेसन्स इन ऑनेस्टी एंड इंटेग्रिटी, वो बहुत ही ईमानदार और इंटेग्रिटी, अखंडता के पुजारी थे, जो कि उनके पेरेंट्स से उनको मिला था। ही वॉज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन्ड, और वो स्वयं में बहुत ही अनुशासित रहा करते थे, क्योंकि उनके माँ बाप की जो ज़िंदगी थी वो बहुत ही अनुशासित हुआ करती थी। डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चंस इन क्लास विद योर टीचर एंड देन राइट डाउन योर आंसर इन 2 or 3 paragraphs. First question. On the whole, the Sam society of Rameswaram was very rigid in terms of segregation in different social groups, says the author. What does he say and why? Let you know. Which social groups does he mention? Were these groups easily identifiable? Are example by the way they dressed? The answer. The author talks about the people who belong to various castes and follow various religious preachings. कवि, the narrator of the chapter APJ Abdul Kalam बात करते हैं कास्ट्स के बारे में और धर्म के बारे में. Yes, these groups were easily identifiable. Their dressings, traditions, culture and ritual were different. हाँ, इन ग्रुप्स को पहचाना जा सकता है आसानी से, उनके ड्रेसेस से, उनके ट्रेडिशन से, कल्चर से एंड रिचुअल, और जो भी उनके रीति रिवाज थे ये सब कुछ डिफरेंट थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, were they aware only of their differences or did they also naturally share friendship and experiences? Think of the bedtime stories in Kalam's house of who his friends were in and what used to take place in the pond near his house. Answer. They did share their personal experiences and friendship. वो अपने व्यक्तिगत अनुभवों को शेयर करते थे और फ्रेंडशिप को. लक्ष्मण शास्त्री summoned the teacher who separated the author and his friend in the class and told him that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent child. लक्ष्मण शास्त्री उन्होंने एक मीटिंग बुलाई, एक बैठक बुलाई और उन्होंने उस टीचर को भी बुलाया जिस टीचर ने एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम को उनके फ्रेंड से अलग बैठा दिया था. उन्होंने मना भी किया कि इन निश्चल बच्चों के दिमाग में कम्युनल इंटॉलरेंस, इनइक्वालिटी का जो मीठा जहर है ये न फैलाया जाए. नेक्स्ट question is third question, that is the author speaks both of people who were very aware of the differences among them and those who tried to bridge these differences. Can you identify such people in the text? Yes, the answer is third answer. The school teacher encouraged communal differences and Lakshman Shastri and Siva Subramania Iyer discouraged this malpractice. The answer is the school teacher. He encouraged communal differences. Lakshman Shastri and Siva Subramaniam Iyer discouraged this. स्कूल टीचर ने तो इस चीज़ को करेज किया था, इनइक्वालिटी को लेकर, कम्युनल डिफरेंसेस को लेकर, लेकिन लक्ष्मण शास्त्री और शिव सुब्रमण्यम जिन्होंने एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम को अपने घर डिनर पर बुलाया था, जिनकी वाइफ बहुत ही कंजर्वेटिव थी और शी रिफ्यूजेस टू सर्व एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम इन हर हॉली kitchen. Next question is fourth. Narrate two incidents that show how differences can be created and also how they can be resolved. How can people change their attitude? This is fourth answer. The influential people can do both things. A teacher has the ability to bridge communal differences and can play with sentiments of the innocent and ignorant people. This is what the new teacher did, but the science teacher Siva Subramania Iyer changed his wife's attitude and showed her the right path. जब शिव सुब्रमण्यम अय्यर की बीवी एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम को अपने रसोई घर में खाना देने से मना करती हैं, तो वो उनके एटीट्यूड को बदलते हैं और उनको सही मार्गदर्शन दिखाते हैं, जिससे वो अपने व्यवहार में एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव लाती हैं. दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. कीप लर्निंग.